10 key dates in world history you must remember. The chronicle of human civilization is a vast tapestry of triumphs, catastrophes, and transformative shifts. While history is a continuous flow of cause and effect, certain moments serve as anchors, junctures that fundamentally redirected the trajectory of global development. To understand the modern world, one must recognize these 10 pivotal dates that reshaped the political, social, and intellectual landscape of humanity. Number 1 to 3100 BCE, the unification of Egypt and the birth of writing. The dawn of recorded history is marked by the unification of Upper and Lower Egypt under King Menes. This era also saw the emergence of cuneiform in Mesopotamia and hieroglyphics in Egypt. These developments represent the transition from prehistory to history, establishing the first bureaucratic states and the ability to transmit knowledge across generations. Number 2 to 323 BCE, the death of Alexander the Great. Passing of Alexander the Great in Babylon marked the end of his unprecedented military campaigns and the beginning of the Hellenistic Age. This period saw the synthesis of Greek, Persian, Indian, and Egyptian cultures. The resulting cultural exchange laid the intellectual foundations for the Roman Empire and, eventually, the spread of Christianity and Neoplatonism. Number 3 to 476 CE, the fall of the Western Roman Empire. When the Germanic chieftain Odoacer deposed the boy emperor Romulus Augustulus, it signaled the symbolic end of antiquity in the West. This collapse led to the fragmentation of Europe into feudal kingdoms, the rise of the Catholic Church as a central political power, and the beginning of the Middle Ages. Number 4 to 1066, the Battle of Hastings. The Norman conquest of England changed the course of the English-speaking world. By linking the British Isles to continental Europe through Norman French administration and language, William the Conqueror set the stage for the emergence of the English common law system and the future global influence of the British Empire. Number 5 to 1453, the fall of Constantinople. The conquest of the Byzantine capital by the Ottoman Turks had two profound effects. It solidified the Ottoman Empire as a superpower and forced European scholars to flee west into Italy. Carrying ancient Greek and Roman texts with them, these refugees helped ignite the Renaissance, while the closure of traditional trade routes to the east spurred the Age of Discovery. Number 6 to 1492, Columbus reaches the Americas. Christopher Columbus's landing in the Caribbean initiated the Columbian Exchange, the massive transfer of plants, animals, culture, and diseases between the Old and New Worlds. This date marks the beginning of true global integration, but also the tragic colonization and displacement of indigenous populations. Number 7 to 1517, Martin Luther's 95 Theses. When Martin Luther purportedly nailed his grievances to the door of the Wittenberg Castle Church, he fractured the religious monopoly of the Catholic Church. The Protestant Reformation reshaped European politics, encouraged literacy through vernacular Bible translations, and fostered an individualistic mindset that would eventually lead to the Enlightenment. Number 8 to 1789, the French Revolution. While the American Revolution, 1776, established a new nation, the French Revolution challenged the very foundations of absolute monarchy and hereditary privilege in the heart of Europe. Its ideals of liberté, égalité, fraternité introduced the concept of modern nationalism and the secular democratic state, concepts that remain central to global governance today. Number 9 to 1914, the outbreak of World War I. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand triggered a global conflict that dismantled the Austro-Hungarian, Ottoman, German, and Russian empires. The Great War introduced industrialized slaughter and fundamentally altered the map of the Middle Eastern Europe, setting the stage for the ideological battles of the 20th century. Number 10 to 1945, The end of World War II and the birth of the atomic age. The conclusion of World War II in 1945 saw the defeat of fascism, the founding of the United Nations, and the emergence of the United States and the Soviet Union as rival superpowers. The use of atomic weaponry changed the nature of warfare forever, ushering in a Cold War era defined by nuclear deterrence and a new quest for international human rights. In sum, history is rarely a matter of isolated incidents. Rather, it is a chain of interconnected events. By remembering these 10 dates, we gain a framework for understanding how the ancient world transitioned into the medieval, how the early modern era gave rise to global empires, and how the tragedies of the 20th century shaped our current geopolitical reality. Understanding these milestones is not merely an exercise in memorization, but a necessity for any informed citizen of the world.